Kai, my people, it don't happen again, or you don't set. No be small something, no. Make una carry una jokote sit and come listen to this one. Only my ear, no fit hear this one. Finish. I know say most of una know this man. So, one I dey see for my screen here. Elena Mathias Ezeaku Ejiofor, the founder of Omenala Eziokwu. My people, not be small thing, no. Mathias Ezeaku don't come out again, or you don't scatter everywhere, don't break table. No be small thing, no. No be waiting, I go use my matter, narrate finish. I go leave una, make una for regarding this video, and make una still leave on our opinion on the comment section there. My people, not be small something, no. Make una regarding.
The meaning of Dibia, the meaning of native doctors in our society. For those who are not Igbos, who are watching or seeing this as the name called native doctors. No. The native doctors we are talking about are the doctors that have been saving lives in our society even before the white people came with their own pattern of medicine. Do you get me? The native, those whom we know as native doctors, in the olden days, we have orthopedic native doctors. Those who treat bones. If you had an accident and it's happened that your bones broke into two, they will fix it. They are still existing in our land. They are orthopedic native doctors. We have surgeons in our society then. Those who used to remove, those who used to circumcise our kids in the olden days. Those who used to remove tumors in our bodies. They are surgeons in the olden days. Then we have those who gives medication for fever, typhoid. Do you get me? For different type of sicknesses. They use herbs. These are native doctors we have in our society. Our ancestors have never introduced any shrine to us as a shrine that gives wealth in our society. They have never. There is nobody in those olden days that people say, well, if you want to be rich, you should go to so-so family. It's not in any village today. It is just recently. It started to happen. There is no village in Anambra State, in Imo, in Abia, even in 98 something, that the villagers are saying, if you want to be rich, go to so-so family. They will make you rich through juju or charms. It's not done. From 1989, 1987, from 98, I was born in 98. All this things started in 1990 something. We started hearing the name of Wego, ritualist, which is number one Yahoo that came down in our land. Number one scamming that came down in our land. Number one criminal activities that came down in our land. And now, Maxwell has given them the opportunity to come widely on social media to scam our people. There's something church people are doing to our people. Because they know that every black children today is desperate to survive. Because black children are seeing their fellow human being today dying in motor accident every day. They want to go to all these magicians to do something that will make them not to die in motor accident. It have never reached your turn. We'll keep on dying in motor accident until we start building a good motorable road, having a speed limit monitoring cameras in our roads. Do you get me? For those who are seeing Igbo people that this is our culture, the way we make money. There is what our ancestors told us on how to make money. They told us that naka jaja nebutono mano mano, which is in English. He said that a hands full of sand attracts wealth. A hands full of sand attracts wealth, which means your hands should be busy. When your hands are busy, now it will not attract what? Wealth. Our ancestors have never for a day celebrate any shrine for giving them money. So that power of slavery is still existing in our land. And the people who made this power of a slavery to keep on existing in our land are the government. Because the work of slave master is that the masses will go and work, produce things for them to eat. Why the same people, the slave boys and women that suffered for the food that the slave masters are eating, they will eat the one that the slave master eat and remain for them. That is what is happening. The native, those magicians, they are not native doctors. So I want to tell you what native doctors means in our dialect, in our land. Our ancestors are doing greater things in medical field before the white people came. We have the gynecologists, native doctors. Ndị na-eji ime mgbe gboo enwe ndị na-eji ime na Igbo etolitere mfe abịa. We have the gynecologist, native doctor. Those who takes care of our women who is about to put to bed. I saw it with my own clear eyes. When it happens, we will start looking for them. They will come. Do you get me? So these people you are seeing here are not native doctors. Fabro Dibia. Fabro Dibia. What we have in our land is as our tradition, heritage tradition, are seers, and the native doctors who cures disease with herbs. These are what native doctors means in Igbo land. For those who is misunderstanding us. So the people you are seeing doing this okite are fraudsters and magicians, criminals. All this okite has no power to bring any light in your destiny. There is nothing that this okite, if you gather this okite, I will set them ablaze. The same way I said Bible ablaze. This okite is just simply like Bible. Like in the Bible, they will be telling you God to say, God did not say anything, but it was written by your enemy. And there is no power in the Bible. Bible is only meant to control you to remain a slave, happy slave, having hope that things will change. Why the people who gave you the hope are changing their current situation in daily basis, changing their environment. But we are reading Job in Africa to suffer. So these people and Nigerian pastors and reverend father and bishop are the same thing. They are criminals. Do you get me? And there's a stupid guy as you are in Africa. You believe that when you go and pack something inside this pot, now you will make money, you'll be a millionaire. And this is Eziokwu here. This woman has been suffering for 8 years. Look at the pictures here. This woman from Ebonyi State has been suffering for 8 years. Then practicality, the way our ancestors does 3 sickness. I took her to the hospital. Today she's jubilating in her house. Show me the one you have used okite to cure. Show me the one you have used okite to cure. No, show me the fibroid woman you have cured with okite. Show me a cancer patient you have cured with okite. They will keep on manipulating you guys about money. What is reigning in the church? Money, money, money. Receive money, receive money. What is reigning right now in all these magicians called native, called fake? They're not native, they're called magicians in our land. Without you knowing that them bragging with you. And I saw one of them saying that you don't need to give me a car. If you give me a small car, I will not take. Criminals in human form. A criminal, a thief. I know that I cannot produce car. A thief that cannot produce common watch, wristwatch. He's telling people the type of car they will be giving to him. So you need a car. Why can't you use okite to produce a car? Then use it to create job in your community and your local government. Criminals in human form in Igbo land. See them bragging. They only make mouth. Hey, when they want to brag, they will be telling you, hey, okay, so don't go okay. A typical powerful somebody don't make noise. All of them are just criminals. And the worst thing that will happen to you, if these people ask you to go and bring somebody, a little baby, for this okite, never you try that, brother. Remember, you will get married. I know things are hard, and I'm begging you. There is no shortcut in making money. Jesus know they give money. Juju know they give money. Jesus did not create money. Juju never create money. Money is made by man. It's just man's ideology. And everything you have to do on this earth to survive is practically things that will please man. Even if you are doing Yahoo Yahoo. What gives you money as a Yahoo boy? Is that practically man-made something you send to the white people? You might send something something to them. That you are the social owner of this company. You send maybe you send car to them. That you are the manager of this Mercedes Benz. Those items. Then he need those things to establish his life. Now you dupe him. He doesn't come through okay. The problem you're having today in Nigeria, you don't have electricity. Is that a spiritual problem? No. The problem you're having today is that you don't have running water, no security, no ambulance in your village, and you are doing okay to survive. What makes this native doctor to be rich are you. You guys. The one they take from you, take from this, take from they gather the money, they use it to enrich themselves. If the Okite gives money, he will have prepared it. Use it to give himself money. Then when you come, they will give you loan. There is nothing different between Okite and our brother Ebube Muonso holding a criminal from Europe called Jesus. Holding him at hand and chaplet. For a black man to survive. Omaburu Jesus, go to chaplet. Carry Jesus, carry chaplet. Holy. Now this thing develop and make Ebube Muonso, you go carry him. This thing where you carry now, you make London be today, you go there, carry and pretender, better person. I can marry Jeep than a grass, I will say, bueno, how that's God, nah, Jesus. If I be able to survive, don't worry. We are coming after you all with truth and honest.
My people, how na check am? No be small something, no. They say wahala no dey finish, saga continue. As I cross this one, my people, I will choctolize as the thing dey happen. Na so I go dey drop am for here, my people. Make una no vex say I no dey too much dey drop video this time around. My people, make una patient with me. I still dey busy. Na im make am. I for dey drop like 3 video in a day. Okay, my people, have a beautiful Merry Xmas. Ciao, ciao, everyone. Bye bye.